Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Home Decor Studio. Today we will discuss about false ceiling design. Are you looking to transform your space with a touch of elegance and sophistication? In this video, we will explore the world of false ceiling designs and how they can elevate your home decor to new heights. Let's start with the popular choice, the recessed false ceiling. This design creates a sense of depth and dimension by lowering a portion of the ceiling. It allows for the installation of recessed lighting fixtures, providing ambient and task lighting that adds a warm and inviting atmosphere to your space. For a touch of elegance, consider a tray false ceiling in your bedroom. This design features a raised central portion with a recessed border, creating a sophisticated and layered effect. The tray ceiling can be further enhanced with the cove lighting or accentuated with decorative molding for a luxurious look. Add a touch of grandeur to your dining room with a coffered false ceiling. This design incorporates a series of recessed square or rectangular panels that create a geometric pattern on the ceiling. Coffered ceilings bring a sense of architectural beauty and visual interest to your space. A suspended false ceiling is a modern and versatile option. It involves hanging a secondary ceiling below the original ceiling, allowing for various design possibilities. With a suspended ceiling, you can incorporate different materials, colors, or even create unique shapes and patterns for a customized look. Illuminate your kitchen with a backlit false ceiling. This design features a translucent material that allows light to pass through, creating a soft and warm glow. Backlit ceilings add a modern and futuristic touch to your space, making it visually stunning and captivating. For those who crave a sense of spaciousness and grandeur, a vaulted false ceiling is a perfect choice. This design features a high arched or sloping ceiling that creates a dramatic and open atmosphere. Vaulted ceilings provide a sense of airiness and elegance, transforming any room into a captivating space. Make a bold statement with a patterned false ceiling, whether it's a geometric design, an intricate motif, or a textured finish. A patterned false ceiling adds visual interest and creates a unique focal point. It's a great way to infuse your space with personality and express your individual style. These false ceiling designs offer endless possibilities to elevate your home decor. Whether you prefer a recessed